Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Beanstalk in Grow a Garden Roblox. Alright, let's begin. The Beanstalk is a prismatic tier, multi-harvest vine and is currently the rarest and most valuable crop in the game. It sells for around 18,000 to 20,000 shekels per harvest and continues to produce fruit indefinitely. There are a few ways to get the Beanstalk seed. The first and most direct method is through Sam's seed shop. The Beanstalk seed appears at the bottom of the prismatic section when it's in stock. It has a very low spawn chance, between 0.03 and 0.05% per restock, which happens every 5 minutes. The seed costs 10 million shekels, or 715 Robux, so make sure you save up in advance and check frequently. Using private servers helps avoid competition, since no one else can buy the seed before you. Another way to get the Beanstalk seed is through pets. Golden labs, dogs, and red foxes can occasionally dig up rare seeds, including Beanstalk. Although the chances are very low, it's still a free method worth trying. You can also use a raccoon pet to steal Beanstalk pods from other players' gardens. This gives you harvests, not seeds, and the raccoon essentially copies the item rather than taking it away. So that's basically how you can get Beanstalk in Grow a Garden Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.